Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the new phone number can receive SMS or calls. Telegram will send a verification code. Once done, open Telegram and go straight to Settings, then tap on your phone number or Privacy and Security where the number change option appears. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link to avoid timeouts. Keep your old device nearby in case Telegram requests confirmation. This prepares the app to send the necessary verification and preserves chats and contacts. Now tap Change Number and read the prompt. Telegram will migrate your account, contacts, groups, and media to the new number. Enter the new number including the country code, then request the verification code. Telegram will send a code by SMS or call. Type it promptly to avoid expiration. If you use a second device, accept any in-app confirmation prompts there. Once verified, Telegram updates your account identity while keeping all messages and membership intact, so you don't lose history. Finish by checking settings to confirm the new number displays and send a test message to a trusted contact. They should see your updated ID. If the code never arrives, request a verification call, toggle airplane mode, or contact your carrier about SMS blocking. If you had two-step verification enabled, enter your password when prompted. If you forget it, follow Telegram's recovery flow, which may require identity checks. If problems persist, log out and retry the change after clearing app cache or reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.